Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. In this Angular video, we learn about module. These are point. Today we learn in this video. First, what is module? How we can create module? How we can create component inside module? And last, how we can use it. First is what is module? Module is complete feature of application. For example, user is module and it contains small functionality like login, register, forget username and forget password. And this module contain number of components, services and classes. when we create application, then see here app.module.ts is created automatically, and it is root module and other created module is imported in this file. See here some component and module imported in this file. Okay, I will create module. Simply put here ng, g for generate, m for module, and module name is user. User module is successfully created, and inside this module we can create multiple component and services. Firstly, register this module in your root module, that is app.module.ts. Import first user module, from user slash user dot module. After that, register in import. Here name of module, after that I will create component inside this module. Put here ng, g for generate, c for component, name of module user slash name of component login. Press enter. Login component created successfully. Open user.module.ts file and see here login component automatically imported here. I want to use this component anywhere in application, then write here export and name of component login component. Open app.component.html file and import login component here for displaying data. Login. Okay, open browser. We can see we got login component here. Login works. In this way we use module inside your application. Thanks for watching.